Pilipinas ran? Okay. Ayan. Guys, noodles.
May itlog siya.
Ay, ito. Hindi nang itlog pante.
Ay, ang itlog. Nasa salakyan.
Dito ko sa farm.
Itlog pa. Mabuhay pa kami sa pulagan.
Wait lang ha, wait.
Just wait. Orlin, don't go there.
Wait.
Don't go that side, ah.
Wait.
Mga gwapang nagraha kang noodles. Ayan.
Yo guys, ito yung ano dito pagkain sa Canada.
Canada ng UAE?
Going to US.
Imura. Ray, ako na yan. Ay, nagdugang ako. Ay,
Guys, ito yung pagkain namin dito guys.
Saan nga tayo, te?
Canada.
Canada.
Chef of Canada. Because in our snow here is brown color. Not white color. So look at, follow this our page. Ours. We need 1 million followers.
Yes. And 1 million views.
1 million views. Guys, and that's all. It's so yummy.
Yummy.
Kain tayo. Uy. So cold.
Dami magkaan naman lang. Hindi naman may gramig.
So nice. This our noodles here in Canada.
Nissin.
Nissin, yes, Nissin. It's from Canada. Yes.
Ano ito? Batiyan.
Then, itlog mo yan.
Hindi na pagpatiya. I-mix lang.
Apat yung bilog.
Mix din, mix.
May ako ma-mix.
Halo.
Ayan. This is the noodles of Canada.
With egg. Musun tani? Boy, asun tayo, German yun.
Hindi, balik mo pa dyan. Pirak bilog raw? Pirak tok bilog?
5.
Ano pa, duro pa siya eh.
5.
5 plus 6, pulo ra eh.
Tabaran.
Enough. So, enough?
Ha?
Wala pa na ano ang itlog. Wait.
Ikahan pa? We need more?
I don't know.
Nag-ano rin ng ano? Hindi mang paglugaya, ano lang blaraw. Bilog lang.
Bilog lang tana. Amo na gusto ni sa ulo.
Ay, nanay, bata mo. Ay, bata mo. Taong ka na ang bilog. Wait. Just wait.
This is really cool.
Dalawa lang garit dito sa kabilog lang garit tinaydor ko isang bilog tinidor sa kapino. Dara ko lang.
May dara kami to.
Yan. Tapos tadan mo lang yan. Para mabilog. Ate mama.
Close. Yeah.
Close it, yes. Oh my God. Guys, tingnan nyo guys ang view. Ang sunset, ang sunrise nandoon guys. Kaya di namin siya makita. Ito lang ang makita namin. Itong ganda ng view. Tapos ito, kita nyo yan. Ewan ko kung nakikita nyo. Ayan. Ayan, zipline yan. Ayan, zipline. Hanggang doon, zipline. Tapos doon sa taas, zipline. Ayun, yung makikita. Ayun, ayun. Zipline. So, ayan guys. Nandito kami. Super kami. Ayan guys. Nagluto kami ng noodles doon. Para mainitan lang tiyan namin. Hindi na pa-picture-picture sila. As in, super duper lamay. Ayan. Foggy doon.
Guys, look.
Orlin? Yes.
That's what we're doing.
Para hindi ka mabigyan ng ilang pang kasi may ano yung may black people. Cover by the mountain. Ano pa naman dyan? May talaga ano? No, I've been waiting for that the mountain. 100 years daw. Natanang makita ang mountain nga na. Concept.
Sunset, sunrise.
Sunrise. I think it will not stop directly, no? Sunrise. Because it's mountain. Sunrise is from the sea. But if we'll go there up, if we go to up, we can get the sunrise. No, sunset is from the sea. Sunset. Yeah, that's what I do. No,
Opposite you said.
maybe I get the sunrise, but I think it's sunset.
Milo. Okay, you finish the noodles.
Sunrise is the sea.
For the noodles. Rubber yun.
Sunrise. Mountain.
Sugar ka?
Sugar lang.
Ay, hindi nahulog tinapay ko.
Guys,
We're having already 3 granddaughters, 4 granddaughters. 4 granddaughters now.
That's why when I told you. For me, no. Mommy. Mami lang.
Kira kang malaman lagi ba? Preparing going, guys.
Ay, ganun. Hindi, panghugas.
Hiking sexy. Hiking
You want? Okay, we'll leave you here. We'll wait for you downstairs. You want the
Pwede man dyan dada.
Trekking?
Viewing deck park. May entrance.
Not finished down? Huh? Not finished?
Oh, you see the view, Jingle Jess?
Oh, madam. See, don't wipe your dress.
Ang ano lang ba, aga lang ba nag-traffic man?
No. Careful. Careful.
Selfie mo.
Selfie kita, Nay. Dali, selfie kita, Nay. Arlene, come here. Come here. Come here. Yala, let's do selfie first.
Hi! Yan si Orlin, guys. Mag-stop kami dito sa gitna ng bukid. Nag-ano sila, nag-picture-picture. Yan, oh. Lovebirds. And Orlin, see what you're eating? Come on. Come this side, yeah. It's not cold, right? Before it's too much cold. Yeah, super ring. No, leave it that one. Don't go this side, because this one is very dangerous. You stand this side only. Don't stand this side, Very dangerous.
You fall? Mama, look. You fall there and you fall there.
No, means if you fall there, then you're gonna get hurt and you have lots of boo-boo.
And also you will fall there.
Yes. Let's go na, come on.